Welcome back to Introduction to Programming. Hope you're having a great day. This week we're going to be dealing with Python variables. So I'm going to walk you through your week at a glance. This week you're going to know how to properly create, use, and cast variables in Python. Remember, variable is just a fancy word for a place to store data within a computer program. You're going to understand the rules around naming your variables. We call the name of variables identifiers, and there are ways that you can name a variable that are valid, and there are ways that are invalid. You're going to ultimately demonstrate the ability to create simple, useful programs that combine the use of user-provided input, things that the person running your program provides to the program, and variables. These are the tasks for the week. You are going to first watch the video, Python Variables. Pay close attention and take any notes that you need. Then you're going to change gears a little bit and you're going to do a Scratch project I call the Accountant. I'm going to show you how to use variables first in Scratch. Scratch the Accountant does a very simple task, which is to prompt a user for two numbers and then using variables adds them together. Then you are going to come up with your own program, what I call the Math Buddy Challenge, using what you already know about math, using the input of your math teachers. You're going to create a simple program that uses variables to perform a calculation that you would normally do in your math class by hand. Then you're going to watch the video. It's called Python Writing a Program, which walks you through exactly how to write a Python program. And then the week culminates in you writing a simple program using idle that I provided for you, so that I know that you know how to write a Python program that uses variables. So those are the tasks for the week. Now let's take a look at Schoology. If you go into week one, you'll see it's just as I've described. The week at a glance that we went over is at the top of the week. And then you'll see that there's a Python variables page, which has a presentation with all the information that I go through in the video. So you want to pay close attention to this while you're watching the video. At the end of the presentation, you will see that there is the video. You can click on this to watch the video, or you can go down below and go to the video directly. Next, Scratch the Accountant. This is a very brief Scratch project that you are going to make by following the instructions. When you're done, you're going to share to the Padlet and you're going to submit in Schoology for points. Once you're done with Scratch the Accountant, you are going to move on to the Scratch Math Buddy Challenge. I have the instructions here as well as the project requirements. I strongly recommend you talk to a math teacher and come up with an idea for your math-centric program. I've given you some examples here. You could create a simple area calculator, a right triangle hypotenuse calculator, a circle circumference calculator, so forth and so on. Use all you've learned about Scratch and see me for any help as you complete this Math Buddy Challenge. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to review the Python Writing a Program presentation and watch the video at the end. This video directs you to write, execute, and save a program I'm calling Interview, which helps you learn how to use variables in a real-world way. And then the last thing you need to do for the week, you're actually going to write, execute, and save the program that you saw in the video, and you're going to submit that for points. So once again, this is week one. Make sure that you're doing everything with fidelity. Make sure that you watch the update video, the weekly update video first, then look at the week at a glance, and then start going through the assignments in order sequentially from top to bottom. If you need any help, I'm here to help you. I hope you have a great one, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class.